What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So check it out. Check it out. I'm very happy today. I'm very happy. Actually, I've been happy for quite some time now. I'm just now catching up with the videos. But first off, I just want to thank everybody for all the support. I've been getting a whole bunch of comments. Hey, Chuck, what's going on with the car? What's going on with the vet? What's happening? Any updates? So, update. I got it back. I got it back. Hey, yo, straight up. I just want to say, send a big shout out to my boy, Hunter over at Revv, Collision and Coatings. Yo, my man, like, he sent me messages, videos. He let me come over and just check out the different stages of the car and everything and how it was. I didn't want to be a nuisance. And it wasn't like that at all. But it is my baby, and I just wanted to check her out every step of the way. But, yo, my man, he did his thing, man. He did his thing. Hunter, dude, thanks. I really appreciate it. He got it back to me. Like, I mean, my man even fought for me to get, OEM parts. They were trying to give me aftermarket parts, and the car is still brand new. So, yo, he sent information back to my insurance company, and even they were like, "What? Aftermarket parts? It's a new car. Let's get OEM." So, yo, he submitted the supplements. I got the OEM parts. Took a little bit longer, especially for the the OEM part was the front bumper. They were trying to give me an aftermarket bumper, front bumper, but I got the OEM. It looks great. The fitment is amazing. Matter of fact, just let me shut up. Just let me show up. Shut up. Let me show you what I got. Let me show you what I got. And here she is. Look at that. I mean, he even put the grill back. Oh, pay no attention to the dead bug. But he even put the grill back in that I had in there. I mean, everything. Look, I mean, the fitment, the lines, perfect. You know, perfect. Yo, I'm rubbing all the way up here like that's part of the bumper. It's not. But I meant to come around here and then go around the light. But yeah, fitment's perfect. You know, the paint, he matched it perfectly with the car. You know, the bumper. If you checked out the previous video, the bumper was like a primer gray. He sanded it down. Got no rough spots in the bumper, other than, you know, bugs and everything committing suicide all over my all over my hood, front bumper. But everything's great. He matched everything up. Like I say, he put my grills back in for me, my guards to protect my radiators. Too bad there's nothing to protect me from these vicious Shreveport Bossier streets, but it is what it is. And then, yeah, so if you look in there, that intercooler's new, radiator's new, all that's new. Wheel liner in here, you probably can't see it, but that's brand new. He did his thing. He did his thing, man. And he got it back to me. So I think all in all, it was about a month. It was about a month. And yeah, she's good. She is good, all the way good. And back. Good, back, I'm happy. So, next up, what's next? I got a front splitter. I think I'm gonna put that on. I got some squealing in my brakes. The squealing I've had for a while. I already know what that is. So, actually, I'm about to get busy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up, take the wheels off, apply like a coat of grease to the brake pads to stop the squealing, or lubricant or whatever. But I got some stuff. I got some stuff for the brake pads. And that's what I'm about to do. As far as the front splitter, I may put that on today. I may put that on sometime this weekend. I'm going to put it on soon, and I'll let you guys know. But for real, I just want to thank you guys for hanging in there with me, for liking, subscribing. Yeah, there's more to come. So continue to like, continue to subscribe, and don't forget, your boys got merch. Your boys got merch. But hit the like button, subscribe, keep supporting, and I'll keep bringing content straight up. All right? So thanks again, and I'm out of here. See ya.